Alright, what are we on now? Day 6, I believe? Alright. Oh, here's day 6 right there. Let's go ahead and pop it open. It looks like we've got a minifigure. Oh well. But hey, this one looks like there's some more assembly required, so let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Open this down under the desk again, because that seems to be attenuating the sounds of the crinkly plastic rather nicely. There we go. What is all over my... What is this? That's weird. I have to clean that up later, I guess. There's like little fuzzy bits all over. I wonder if that's coming from... Alrighty. Anyway, let's go ahead and build the thing here. Alright, so we'll start with this little half-round brick, and on top of it gets stuck the body here. I'm assuming this is a snowman. So that goes there. Then we need to put the little scarf thing on. Then we need the head, which has absolutely no distinguishing features on it. There we go. And then the top hat, like so. Okay. Then we need the cup of cocoa here, and it's telling me to stick the brown stud in the mug here, but it's not actually like sticking, so that's a little disappointing. Why would you guys do that? But there we go. We have a snowman holding a cup of cocoa, I'm assuming, and a couple extra pieces. So yeah, there's day 6. Mildly lame, but nowhere near as lame as the previous days, and I just realized I did that whole thing out of focus, but there we go. We'll just focus in on the dude. There we go. It's a weird little snowman dude with a cup of cocoa. Oops. Oh, that's gone forever. I just dropped the stud on the floor. Oh, hey, there it is. Oh, bonk. As I smack my face on my camera holder framework thing. And then I kick the desk and... I give up. That's why they have extras. Anyway, thanks so much for joining me for day 6 of the LEGO Advent Calendar. If you haven't already, consider clicking here to subscribe. Right over here is a video that YouTube thinks you'll find interesting. Right here is the LEGO Advent Calendar playlist. And right here is a link to Patreon. And if I just tug this down a little bit, there's a kit that I'm going to be building this week on my channel. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching.